Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing a complete preparation strategy and roadmap for GATE 2026 Architecture and Planning. Whether you are a beginner or a repeat aspirant, this video will help you plan smartly, manage your time, and target top institutes like IITs, NITs, and SPAs. And if you want a structured preparation with mentorship, don't forget to check out our Warrior Batch plan, where you get the chance to learn directly from GATE top rankers who are now IITians and SPA graduates. So, here's the roadmap to GATE 2026 success. Here's your month by month plan to achieve your target. The first is phase 1, the foundation. From August to October, build a basic build a basic first from history of architecture, urban planning theory, acts and policies. Starts with the book of Francis Ching, Bannister Fletcher and Planning Acts of PDFs. Practice 2 or 3 general aptitude questions daily. Target complete 50% of the syllabus basics consistent with the general aptitude practice. With the continuation of phase 2, that is core strengthening, from November to December, solve previous 10-year GATE architecture paper religiously. Focus on numerical topics like FAR density, cost estimation, environmental calculation. Prepare short notes for formula, acts, planning. Join a study group or dedicated coaching sessions like ours, the Warrior Batch, for structured learning and doubt clearance. Syllabus almost complete, plus initiate mock test practice. So, from January, try to give mock test and revision. Take 10 plus full length mock test under strict 3 hours exam condition to simulate the actual test environment. Thoroughly analyze mistake after every test to identify weak areas and conceptual gaps. Revise your meticulously prepared short note daily to reinforce memory. Achieve 80 to 85% accuracy consistent in mock test. The final stretch. Roadmap to crack GATE 2026. The last 15 days from January to starting Feb. Revise only high scoring topics like acts, planning theory, history dates, definitions. Intensify focus on general aptitude numerical reasoning for quick scoring marks. Maintain composure. Avoid starting any new topic in the crucial phase. Target will be achieve sharp memory recall and master time management strategies under pressure. These are some essential books and resources, like you can refer Francis D.K. Ching, The Go-To Architecture Graphic and Building Construction Basics, Sir Bannister Fletcher, A History of Architecture, containing comprehensive coverage of architecture, history and style, A.E.J. Morris, History of Urban Forms, and K.C. Sivararam Krishnan, Urban Planning in India, essentially read for urban planning concept and their application. You have to deal with previous 10 years GATE architecture paper, absolutely essential to understand exam pattern, question type and practice effectively. Planning Acts PDF, download and meticulously study relevant government act and policy crucial for planning question. Online forums and study groups, engage with peers and mentor for discussion, doubt clearance, and shared learning. With this roadmap and consistent effort, you can definitely crack GATE 2026 AR with a top rank. And if you want to take it to the next level, the Warrior Batch course is your best chance to get mentored by IITians and SPA alumni. That's it for today's video. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more architecture and planning preparation for GATE content. Thank you.